Now mute yourself and listen carefully. Today we are going to study about picture composition. What is picture composition? First let me tell you. Picture means picture, any scenery, any scene. And second one, that is composition. It means to compose something. What to compose? It means to compose something to see the picture. It means you have to compose a simple paragraph seeing a picture. Okay, that is picture composition. Like whenever you go some place, like you have visited Taj Mahal, okay, or you have visited Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir of Prayagraj. So when you return, your friend asks you that, ma'am, your friend asks you that what had happened when you visited the mandir and what you have visited in Taj Mahal. So that time you will ask and you will describe him whatever you have seen. Okay, how you will describe it? You will describe about Taj Mahal, that Taj Mahal was very beautiful. It was made of white marble. There was Yamuna river. It was looking blue, and the whole atmosphere was very nice. And many people came there to visit Taj Mahal, and many things you will tell him. Am I right or not, class? Okay. When you will tell this, okay, so when you will tell this to your friend about all the things, just like that, it means you describing about the whole place. Okay, just like that, you have to also describe this picture in your own words. That is called picture composition. Did you? Composition, beta, picture composition. Okay, so today we are going to study about picture composition. In this picture you can see many things, like 4 kittens are there. They are in their own home. Okay, cat home. It is a cat home. There is a boy. There is a lady. I think it is a scene of a park. And you can see that 2 dogs, 2 puppies are also there, of 2 colors, white and brown. One German Shepherd is also there. German Shepherd is also having two puppies. I think 3 puppies. 1 puppy is not looking. And there is one baseball and some postcard boxes are kept. There is one girl who is watching 2 dogs, and 2 girls are watching to the dogs of brown and white color. One boy is going to the sector of cats. There is one calculator and printer. I think it is the place of some representative of the park, and trees are there, and tortoise and his baby is also there. So you can see in the whole picture that people seemed very happy to watch the animals of different kinds. The first animal is cat, second animal is dog of different breeds. You can see one breed is German Shepherd, and second breed, I don't know what is the name of this breed. I don't know. And the second and the next. Yes.
One turtle here.
Yes, it is turtle. Beta, let me tell you one thing. There is a great difference between tortoise and turtle. Do you know the difference between them? Let me tell you. The tortoise is walks on the land, but the turtle always found in sea. See, ocean, sea. They are of bigger size. Let me show you. You can see in the picture. Look, these are the tortoise. Okay, you can see that these are tortoise. Let me show you turtles. Okay, look at this. Okay, wait children, don't be so enthusiastic. I am showing you. Wait. You can see that there is a great difference between turtle and tortoise. Both are different, beta. Okay. Look in this picture. In this picture, you can see that this is tortoise and this is turtle. Turtle's body is something more beautiful than a tortoise. First thing, and turtles are bigger. Turtles are bigger than tortoise. This is also the second difference between tortoise and turtle. Okay. Next one. Class, did you understand what is the difference between tortoise and turtle? Look in this picture. This picture is tortoise. Okay. This is tortoise, you can see. Okay. This is also tortoise. And let me show you the picture of turtle. Look, you can see that their body is something different from tortoise. Their body is more decorative, more beautiful than tortoise. Did you understand the difference, class?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बट एक उन लोगों में सिमिलरिटी होती है, ध्यान सुन लो, उन दोनों में एक सिमिलरिटी भी होती है। पूछोगे क्या? भाई देखो, दोनों ही तैर सकते हैं। Understood? They can swim in the water. But there is one difference, like the sea turtle. When there is a sea turtle, it always swim in the deep sea. But the tortoise never swims in the deep sea because he is not such adaptative about the atmosphere of his adaptation. His adaptation behavior is something different from the turtle. That's why turtle and tortoise are different. Understood? Okay. Now can you tell me in this picture what it is? It is tortoise or turtle? Yes. Yes. It is tortoise because it is where? It is kept in the garden and it is in the land. One more thing you would think. Listen. One more thing you would think that can a turtle live outside the water? Yes, it is. Turtle can also live out of the water. Why? Because he is what? उन एनिमल्स को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? जो जमीन पे भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं हम? Yes, very good. It is amphibian. These are amphibians. So, tortoise, crocodile, and these are some animals. They can live inside the water and outside the water because their breathing system is different from the humans and other animals. Their anatomy is made different by the God. Okay. So now we were talking about the picture composition. So you have observed this picture. Kindly take the screenshot of this picture. Kindly take the screenshot. Okay. Those who have taken the screenshot, so I am going to remove it. So first we will write about children wait. Okay, so first thing we have seen, class, can you see the picture?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now can you see the paint?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
No, not paint, ma'am.
okay, wait my children, wait. Now are you able to see the paint screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now are you able to see the picture?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now listen to me carefully. Listen. So in this one, first we have seen in the picture that it is the picture of what? It is the picture of some botanical garden. You can say this, it is a garden. Okay. So first you will write the first sentence. First you will give the title. What you will do? You will do first that you will give a title. What the title you will give about this picture, class?
Picture composition.
No. Wrong. Title cannot be. Listen everyone. Class, first mute and listen to me carefully. Okay. First thing, about the picture you have to understand that which title would be suitable to write about this picture composition. पहले तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इसके लिए हम कौन सा टाइटल बनाएं. तो इस पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करो. ये पिक्चर किस जगह की है? ये किसी न किसी गार्डन की है. जैसे होता है पेट गार्डन बोलते हैं इसको हम. किस तरीके का पेट गार्डन? देखो इसमें जितने भी जानवर दिख रहे हैं ये सब पेट्स हैं. देखो डॉग पेट्स होता है, कैट भी पेट होता है. बहुत लोग टॉर्टॉइस को भी अपना पेट मानते हैं. तो हम इसे क्या मान सकते हैं कि ये एक पेट गार्डन है. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? इससे हम 2-3 वो दे रहे हैं, इससे आप लोग समझ जाओगे. पहला हमने लिख दिया द पेट गार्डन. हम क्या बनाया इसकी हेडिंग? हमने बनाई द पेट गार्डन, या फिर आप पेट गार्डन भी लिख सकते हो. आप लोग का मन, लेकिन आप लोगों का टाइटल जो होना चाहिए बच्चों, वो बिल्कुल आपकी पिक्चर से मैच करना चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि आप लिखे रामायण के बारे में और टाइटल लिखे महाभारत. ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते ना. दे आर डिफरेंट, दे आर काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट थिंग. ठीक है. तो जैसी आपकी पिक्चर होगी वैसा ही आपका टाइटल होगा, है ना. कहानी जानवर की और नाम आदमी का थोड़ी रख सकते हैं. ठीक है. उसी के अकॉर्डिंग उसकी कहानी का नाम भी रखेंगे. तो इस पिक्चर कंपोजिशन के बारे में हमने पहला हेडिंग क्या डाल दिया? द पेट गार्डन. ठीक. अब हम लोग इसके बारे में लिखेंगे. चलो हम लोग यहाँ पर आपको मैं केवल 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखकर दिखाऊंगी. मोर फर्दर यू हैव टू राइट about this in your fair copy as your homework. Okay. First sentence I am writing about this picture. Number 1. There is a beautiful pet garden. Number 2, what I see? I see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 children are there in the 2 children and 3 adults. 2 children. So what I will write? There are 2 children and 3 adults in the garden. Okay, the second sentence. One more thing I would like to tell. Children, I have written here 2, 3 and I have written them in numerical form. You should not write the numbers in numerical form in English. In English, whenever you write, you should write in अल्फाबेटिकल फॉर्म। ये गलती कभी मत करना, जो गलती मैंने अभी करी है, ये गलती आप लोग कभी मत करना। हम लोग जल्दीबाजी में ऐसी गलती कर देते हैं, लेकिन हमें ये गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए। इंग्लिश में ये एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं होता है। हिंदी में तो ये एक्सेप्टेबल हो भी जाता है, लेकिन अंग्रेजी में इसे हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं। इट विल बी अ मिस्टेक। ओके क्लास, अंडरस्टूड? नाउ थर्ड, what I have seen in this picture, that there are 4 kittens. There are 4 kittens. No class, there is one cat. There is 3 kittens I think. Because 2 kittens are there, one there is a male cat and female cat. Okay.
Yes.
There is also a family of a cat. Out of family of, sorry, it should be four. Out of these there are 2 kittens. Okay, class silent. Class silent. Please mute yourself, everyone, please mute yourself. Okay, we have completed 3 lines. Now the 4th line. What we see in this picture, let's see. There are many trees in this garden. There are many trees. ट्रीज के अलावा भी कुछ है क्या बुक में? कुछ बुशेस भी दिख रही हैं हम लोग को, बुशेस एंड ग्रासेस भी दिख रही हैं। There are many trees. अभी हम झूले की बात नहीं कर रहे बेटा, ठीक है? झूला भी हम लास्ट में बात करेंगे। There are many trees including green grasses and thorny bushes. इन द गार्डन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बार बार रेपिटेशन करना अच्छी बात नहीं होती बच्चों। अंग्रेजी में रेपिटेशन को अवॉइड किया जाता है। ओके, तो हम बार बार इन द गार्डन नहीं लिखेंगे। ओके, द 5th line, let's find. In this line we can see that, अच्छा हाँ देखो, इसमें तुम लोगों ने एक चीज ध्यान दिया होगा, इस पिक्चर में हाँ, इस पिक्चर में आप लोग देख रहे हो, जहाँ पे मेरा माउस पॉइंटर है, आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स दिख रहा है, इसके चारों तरफ जालियां लगी हुई है, दिख रहा है? तुम लोग बता सकते हो ये क्या चीज है? बता सकते हो ये क्या चीज है? नहीं। Who said that it is चिड़िया? No. No. Okay, let me tell. You won't be able to tell me. This is cat bag. कितनी cat bags है? देखो यहाँ से 1, 2, 3, 4. अब आप लोग कहोगे नहीं cat bag क्या होता है? मैं आप लोगों को cat bag दिखा देती हूँ. Class, can you see that carry bag?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, दिखाई दे रहा है।
दिख रहा है ना? ये जितने भी देख रहे हो ये सब कैट बैग्स हैं। इनमें कैट्स को भर के ले जाया जाता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह। अब मानो कि आप वॉक पर निकल